What's up, you guys? We are back at it, and I'm at this lake here, Lake EG. Haven't been here in a minute, but we're gonna go out here and see what we can do. Last time I was out here, it's kind of slowed down, so I've been fishing another lake, but we're gonna go out here, see if we can find them offshore. I think they're in the grass. I think they're high in the water column, but we're gonna try to hit them with some bottom baits, maybe some crankbaits, maybe some higher baits in the water column, speed worm, swim bait, maybe a shallow running crankbait. But it's about 9 o'clock. We got a 5 to 10 mile an hour wind. We're a couple days after the new moon, and it's about 64 or 69, I think it was, on the lunar for fishing. So we're still in the good range, but clear skies. Supposed to expect some rain around 2, but it's been like that all week. I think it was about an 80% chance though, or 60 or 80% chance today. So let's go out here and see what we can do, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Peace. So I've scanned, I don't know for how long, scanned a lot of my good spots outside, and I'm not seeing any fish significant, nothing on the down imaging. 2D, yeah, you see a lot of stuff, but I'm not seeing anything that looks like a school of bass sitting near around the bottom, which tells me they're in the grass, not on the edge, they're in the grass. I'm gonna fish this spot right here. There's some thick grass. There's also, there's some high spots and a significant drop. I'm gonna work this swim bait over the top first. See if we can get anything to bite. Looking up before we go to like a worm or something on the bottom. I'm seeing bait schools in some spots, but not close to the grass and not on the bottom, and not near as shallow as they used to be. I mean, they're out 16 feet, 17, 18, but nothing in that close to the grass range, which is what we want. There's a little point right here, grass point, it goes out and then it cuts back in. So I'm gonna throw this around. There's a lot of floating eelgrass, fortunately. Usually, if I'm gonna fish in the grass, eelgrass offshore, a hard edge, and I'm gonna throw a worm into the grass, over the grass, I wanna see some fish sitting around the outside edge, and I'm not really seeing that. Usually this time of year, you see a bunch of fish. The best areas, you see a bunch of fish sitting on the outside of those grass lines, and they're outside, and then you can throw up in there, but I'm just not seeing that. This grass is so much different than it was last year. It's in the same place it started, it ended in the summer. It never died. It just kept growing further out. So you don't have hard edges in, say, 10 feet anymore. Now they're in 12, 13. It's not really. And they were really distinct, defined. You could follow the contours. It isn't like that this year. Felt like some could be grass. Nope. Oh, biggin. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, that's a good one, guys. Stay buttoned, dude. Stay buttoned. Oh, gosh. 5-pounder. Easy. Maybe 6. Calm down, dude. Oh, gosh, right on the side in the stuff. So we're right on this. Oh, yeah. There's 2 boats over here sometimes. Look at that. Yes. Ooh, you stink. Yes. That joker's heavy. He's at least 5. Maybe more. Just a very minute bite. Like, I wasn't sure if it just tagged a piece of grass. Man, I thought he would be heavier than that. That's surprising. 4:15. Dude, you couldn't give me 5? Come on, man. Get your act together. Give me 5. Now it's 4:14. All right. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Yes, sir. He was pulling more drag than some of those 5-pounders. There you go. There you go, boy. All right, so they're just sneaky. We're going to have to work this really slow. Mag 2, June bug. I went with the dark color. We got clouds and we got wind. So I'm going to usually go with that. Dude, don't do this. Don't do this, dude. I ain't got time for this. Dude, go out of here. I ain't got time for this. Get out of here. Look at this. Really? These people kill me, man. They could care less. I guarantee my other good spot, they tore the grass up because there was some really good grass and now it's gone. Dude, get out of here. Yo, I'm fishing over here. Move on out. There's a whole lake. This is the windiest side on the lake. Go over there, over there. I don't care. Go over there then. There's 7. It's a south wind, lady. It's clear over there. Exactly. That whole it's a southeast wind. That whole corner is getting the least wind. And you stirring up waves is not safe for fishermen. You can't ride that because of the wind. Whatever. You got that whole east bank. There's no wind over there. Too shallow. That lady was all the way on the bank over there. Now it's all of a sudden too shallow. These people kill me, man. They think they know something. No, I know what the wind is. I ain't no redneck junkie. There's other fish in the lake. So I'm supposed to move for them. Like, really? You have wind to deal with. I have wind to deal with and whether there's any fish there. Look at this. Maybe the weight, I don't know. The weight's too heavy. I wouldn't think so. Because I wouldn't feel the grass and be able to have to. If I threw a quarter, I wouldn't get hung. I wouldn't get nestled down in any of the grass. Look at this. Look at this shit. Really? Look at these. Oh shit. Dude. That's horrible. That doesn't quarter ounce just won't hang up in the grass the way I need it to. Come on guys, put a little smelly jelly on there for you. Get some of that. There he is. It's a light bite though. Barely hooked him. Go. Oh god. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yes, sir, dude. Look at that. Got the joker. Got him with my left hand. Look at that. Light tap. Tip it up. Just tapped it and was going. So that's the lighter weight. It's long, skinny. He's probably 3.5. This wind wasn't so bad. I throw this crankbait. 311. So I got 311 and a 15? Giant. Calm down. Alright. Different weight, different color. The bad thing about changing two variables, because then you're trying to decide, okay, was it the weight or was it the worm color? I'm kind of guessing it was the weight. So on this grass, on this hole. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a big one, dude. Oh, he's dark too, dude. Yes, sir. Oh, that's 5. Easy. There we go. Look at that, guys. That's what we came for. Oh, look at that joker. Pretty. Yeah. 4.9. We got 4.9, guys. Look at that. Sweet. Let's get him in here. Let's get us another one. God, he nailed it. Oh, God. Oh, stay hooked, stay hooked. Oh, snagged him. Snagged him. Oh, my God. Thought I had a monster, dude. Oh, my God. And I was reeling it backwards. Look at that, guys. Look how white. 11 feet throwing that spinnerbait. Snagged him. Whew. Man, that was a fight. That black and blue, it's cloudy. I got a little, so black and blue with black and blue blades. And then I got a little black and blue swim bait on the back. Bass Pro, which he just ripped out. That's that Nichols that JT Kenny talks about quite a bit. So I don't know. He didn't eat it. So, but there's fish around here, and those are schooling fish, offshore fish. As white as he was, man, I thought that spinnerbait fish was huge. That was probably a 2.5 pound fish, hooked sideways. Goodness gracious almighty. And then having him go this way with a medium action rod. All right, I'm gonna let these fish go. 415 was the big one. The other two, I can't even remember. They were in the 4s or high 3s. But they're not gonna be happy. Y'all calm down in there. Here we go, guys. Good day. Tough day, but if you're only gonna catch 4 fish, this is a good 3 to catch. There we go, guys. The 2 big ones. not a lot of bites today. Couple spots. I mean, when I graphed around them, you just kind of saw grass, little patches of grass outside, and nothing that really looked that great as far as fish. And then that first spot I started fishing, at times you would see bait or schools move in, and that's when I got bit. And then I just kind of worked some outside grass lines in some other spots, found a hole inside a grass line. And it's funny, it doesn't show up on my Garmin, but it does show up on my old Lowrance on the map, on the GPS. It shows the hole. So fished that, and then I caught that one on that black and blue spinner bait, but it was a he didn't bite it. He thrashed at it, and it hooked him in the side. So that's it. It was a tough day, slow day, but we got some good ones. So please hit that like and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time. Be Maz out.